birds on there?
Yeah.
Oh, birds on the diaper bag?
We're out of memory. Oh.
Give it to me and I'll delete a bunch.
See if you have 4 birds on there now.
Really?
This is
Cool.
Hold on.
Oh my gosh, here's 2 birds on the diaper bag. I don't have a camera. 3 birds going to the diaper bag.
They're not even eating it, they're just landing on it. Delete something, just delete. Delete some fish.
I don't want to delete it.
Do I still have birds on me on the backpack? Oh! Hey, don't peck there, mister. Hi, bud. Oh, hey, watch out. Oh, they can't grab on here. Hi. Are you my buddy?
Did you delete something?
Yeah.
Delete a bunch. That's weird. Oh, look at you. You got one on your
hi.
shoulder. Turn it up.
Chris, why don't you get a little of this?
Wow.
It's on right now, so
Okay.
just...
We have... Turn around.
Check it on my deck. You got one on your shoulder.
Turn around.
Oh, you've got 2 on the diaper bag and 1 on your back. Oh, look at this. You know, this could get very weird.
They can't grab onto the diaper bag.
There's 3 on the diaper bag.
See, this thing's turned over, so it's hard for him to eat. There you go.
Wow, this is Dr. Bird.
Mike Barenhausen will freak out when I show him this.
Ow, he's biting my ear.
Hi. What's that thing? Wilson? Hey, get my video out. Okay, they're starting to. Now they're getting Christy.
1 on each arm.
Okay, we don't want Christy. Look at this. Oh, look at this.
Oh, they have their pH.
Oh, Chris, you're getting attacked. Oh.
Can you push them off?
Okay, now look at they're trying to eat they're eating your beads off. All right, beat it. Tramp, look at this. And he's getting in your diaper bag. Look at this.
Oh my god.
Look, he's eating out of the diaper
Why
bag.
did you get so girly?
Ow, hey, now you're biting my finger now. All right,
Judy,
beat
where's
it.
your stick?
Okay. Oh, there you go. Okay, beat. Look at this guy. Chris, look at him. Look at this. Look at this. Oh.
What is look at him on this? He's got 5
And I've got a bunch on my back.
Can you take a picture? Because I'm out of memory.
Oh, delete some of the fish ones, Judy. Some of the fish.
Is that camera?
It's not.
This is weird.
Oh, Steve has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What's on my neck?
A bunch of birds, Steve. Uh-oh, now they're fighting on your neck. You guys get off here. Okay, come on. Beat it.
No, don't.
Oh, not that one. Look at this one. He won't come out of the bag.
He's just nibbling on the bag.
Well, this is the best $2 we ever spent.
Yeah, that's right.
Or
It
you
was
ever
worth a $30 admission.
Right? Yeah, right. Okay. This guy just won't leave. He's just digging in here. Hey, watch it. Oh! Okay. He's biting my ear.
Yeah,
right.
they bite my ear too, but that's fine. Look at him in the bag. Get him
I know.
head in the
I
bag.
got it. I got that.
He's
All right.
Christy, this first